Welcome back to my channel, guys. This video is going to be another Temu haul. Like, if you haven't seen my previous video, definitely go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link so you can watch it. So yes, I am excited about this one, guys. So if you don't know about Temu. Temu is a marketplace for your home decor, clothing. They sell toddler clothing, baby clothing, plus size, regular size, whatever size, shape or color you, it don't matter. They have something on there for everybody. Home decor. If it's something you need, they probably have it. I think I don't remember seeing on the website is food. And I wasn't looking for food. I probably should go browse it and see if there's food on there. But I'm sorry, but yeah, they probably do have food because they sell everything and the prices are so incredibly low. Like, you'll think that the quality is not good, but they are unbelievably good, and the prices, you can't beat the prices. Like, you have stuff for under $1, like, huh? And the shipping is fast. And then unbox these things. Oh, I do have this to come code. I'm gonna leave it a link somewhere here and throw the video also in the description box. So definitely go ahead, check them out. Check out the description box, use my link and save yourself some discount. And I forgot to mention, guys, the best part about the site for me is they provide you with daily opportunities to win free gifts. And if you place an order, you have a chance of winning a free gift which you purchased. I mean, who doesn't like free? I do. So the first time I saw this was a cleaning video on YouTube, and I said, okay, I absolutely need. But it's a pack of 2. I got blue because y'all know blue is my favorite color. So I love it. It has a non-skid bottom and then the top, and this is just to reduce extra mess in the refrigerator. So it's like a refrigerator liner. Refrigerator liners. Our fridge is not that big, so I think 2 would be. I got 2 for 2 of the shelves in the refrigerator, and call me ghetto, but yeah, we do still put store food in pots in the refrigerator. So that might be ghetto, is it? Sometimes I just can't be bothered to transfer the thing from the pot to a plate. Like, that's extra mess, and not time for that. But I love those, and those will definitely come in handy. And the second thing I got was this. This is supposed to be a basket. Now, I thought on the picture, I couldn't tell how big it was on the picture, but it's not a bad size. I don't think this is going to fit no laundry for us, I should say, because this definitely can't fit no laundry. Probably some underwear, but not laundry. So I'm going to have to use this to store the girls' toys or extra toys or something, but definitely not laundry. It's too small for that, for me personally. But if you're home and you do laundry like every day, of course, that will work perfect for you. The quality is nice. I don't know how it'll stand up after I put some stuff in it, but yeah, I'll show you later. The thing I got with this was this collapsible microwave dish cover. The name is right here, guys, and I'm here guessing. So it's a collapsible plate cover for your microwave. So when I saw this, I decided that I had to get it. They have some that is not collapsible. I believe I saw that on it on the website. I don't know, but I do know that they have ones that aren't collapsible that we used to use years ago. So when I saw this, of course, I had to get this one because of the fact that it was collapsible. We're always complaining about not having enough storage. So the fact that it is collapsible, it should be easy to store when it's not in the microwave. You just want to just wash it and just put it in the cabinet or some sort. But I love it. They have a couple more colors. This color is cute. The design is cute, and the material is 10 out of 10. Guys, when I saw this one, when I saw this on the website, I was like, yes, When I saw this on the website, I was like, okay, cart. I didn't even second guess it because my daughter, she loves apples, but she doesn't like biting it. I had to constantly keep dicing the apple, but not dicing it, slicing it one by one individually with my hand. And that's time consuming. So she eats a lot of apples, and I might eat more apples too because really and truly I don't like biting it because I feel like you waste a lot when you bite it. Like you waste a lot of the apple when you bite it. So I really don't like biting my apples either. So this will be perfect. So I had to get this because I could just easily and you get dices. You get slices. And you get slices. I mean, I love it. So the next now guys, this I am excited about. For this guys, I've been seeing this all over Instagram reels, for cleaning reels, because you know that's my niche and I love cleaning. I'm like addicted to watching cleaning videos. My husband thinks I'm weird, but who doesn't love cleaning? Watching cleaning videos, it is satisfying. So I saw this, I've been seeing this all over, and I was like, of course you can use a bowl because that's what people have been using, but it is really cheap. I mean, it is cheap and it looks better than a bowl. So I decided to get it. Basically you just put some water in and you can put whatever essential oil or that you would normally use if you use any, or just water alone, and close it up and put it in the microwave, and the steam from here would turn up the build up that is in the microwave. Now I know you're probably saying that, why do I need this if I ordered this? And I'm like saying, okay, my husband is not going to be using this. Just like he normally leaves the cabinet doors open when he opens it and forgets to close it, he might forget to cover his food. So there will be splatters in the microwave that I'm going to have to clean. So this will definitely come in handy. Still needed. So yeah, in case you guys were wondering why I ordered them both, that's why. I don't know why this came open. I didn't open it, so I'm kind of curious, but hey, I don't know why, but it's open. But it was really cheap. It's a stainless steel food peeler. Of course they have them in other material that I've seen, but I decided to get this one because I love sweet potatoes. Like I am obsessed with sweet potatoes, and I love carrots, but I don't like peeling them. I don't. It just takes too much time when you're using the knife, and I feel like sometimes when you're using a knife to peel your fruits and vegetables, it wastes a lot because you go too deep. But I think with this it'll be perfect, and it will save me a ton of time because I can quickly just I've been needing one of this, but until seeing on the website, I like always forget to add it to my cart or purchase it. But seeing it, I just said, okay, then click, you're gonna be added because you're needed. I also decided to get this pineapple courier slicer. Now guys, for this, I've always wanted one of these things. Click that. Okay, yeah, so I've always wanted one of these things because I'm not the only one that hate peeling pineapple. I hate peeling pineapple, and we recently got 2 juicers, so we've been juicing a lot more, and I think this will definitely come in handy for us, the pineapples, because again, I hate peeling. Where I peel a pineapple, I waste like a third of it. When I look in the skin, like half the pineapple is gone. So I'm excited about just using it. So this is going to get a lot of use. I have been seeing this, I believe, for the past 2 years now, or a year. I don't remember how long I've been seeing it, but I said I've always wanted one of these things. I'm surprised. I am pleasantly surprised because I was not expecting a sponge with it. I probably didn't read in the description. I was really not expecting a sponge with it. I was just expecting this. by itself. So what this is, it's a soap dispenser. So you put the detergent here. This detergent, you put the liquid soap. You put the liquid soap here, and then you would just press on it and it dispenses the soap. My husband thinks it's unnecessary, but it's an aesthetic, and I mean, I think it'll make life easier, because instead of picking up the bottle and constantly pouring it on the sponge, I could just, I mean, I guess it's a woman thing. He doesn't understand, but I love it. I've always wanted one. I'm not even gonna nod it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I thought this was bigger. But I'm mad at myself. I can't be mad at the company, because I think it was $2 and some cents. And what did I expect to get for $2? Like, seriously, the quality is good, and it's for, you can fit your rings and earrings, and I guess some small chains. So it is nice. It is a nice quality. It is small, and it's a travel for your jewelry. So I guess I was expecting something bigger for my watches, but I should beat myself, because why did I expect to pay under $3 for a jewelry box for watches? You crazy, girl. You're just too cheap. but I love this, and this will definitely come in handy for the rings and earrings and stuff, especially for when you're traveling. The quality is so good, guys, and I love it. And it's hard here, and then it's padded right here, so it'll protect it. So again, it's only, I'll remember the price complete, but I'll leave it on the screen. And again, it's cheap. I'm gonna leave a discount code. Remember to check out my discount code, guys. Go ahead and order. You won't regret it. No. No, guys. I've always wanted one of these things. I don't even always a vegetable chopper. 1.2 liters capacity. I have always wanted one of these things. I was actually gonna get this for Christmas, but it just never happened, because at the time I didn't have anywhere to put it, but I've made room since then. So I love it. It comes with all these pieces. It's a lot smaller than, well, I'm glad it's not too big, because I believe the one I saw was bigger than this. So I'm glad this is not as big as the one I've seen, because it'll be easier to store. So that is a plus. So I'm glad I waited, and I absolutely love the material so far. And I believe the one I saw, I love this one. I didn't even realize when I was ordering it, but I love the fact that it comes with an egg separator, so you can separate the yolk from the egg whites and a bunch of other stuff. So I love it, and I can't wait to use it. Like, I hate peeling onions, because who wants to cry when they're trying to cook? Or no, I love eating it, and I love the flavor it gives to your food, but I don't want to be crying trying to cook. It's burning all that. So we buy a lot of onions, but I don't like cutting them, so I rarely use it in our food, so it always goes bad, and that's waste of money, and it just annoys me. So even if I don't use this for anything else, I would definitely be using it for the onions and the garlic. And definitely if there's an ingredient and call for just egg yolk, for just egg white, then that too. So this is going to get a ton of use, I know that for certain. So it's not a waste of buy. Love it. Can't wait to use it. Yeah, and the cover can do, so you can do all of this. So and the blades are interchangeable stainless steel blades. I also got this. It's like, it's to water your plant. So it's a 2-in-1 to water your plant. This is what it looks like. So you just screw it on your water bottle, which I think will come in handy for me because I actually don't have anything to water my plant. I just use a regular cup or a jug or something like that and pour it in, and it's really difficult to get all the way around the roots without spilling the water and messing up the place. So this will be perfect. I can screw it on the water bottle and just go around. So I love this. I decided to get that, and I decided to get this digital thermometer for my food. That actually shocked me for a size because I thought it was smaller than this. Oh, and I thought, I mean, spring and summertime is coming up and hubby does a lot of barbecuing outside, so I figured this would definitely, you would definitely get use out of this for his barbecuing. But yeah, this is what it looks like outside. Yeah, I love this. Definitely going to be using it. That is all for the haul, guys. I love the products. They are amazing quality. They have so much stuff for us: organization, home decor, clothing. I've ordered so much stuff, as I said before previously, so I can't wait to get those. So I could do another haul, guys. Yeah, I've been going crazy on the website. I'm not even since downloading the app. I've made an order every day. Every day, 5 days in a row, I've placed an order. Do I regret it? No, because there's just so much on there. Like, I just can't get enough, and there's just so much to choose from, and I just need them all. I need them all. I'm obsessed with it, and I know you guys are going to love it too. So definitely go ahead, use my discount code to save you extra on your order. See what everybody's raving about. I'm sure you'll find something. So if you think you don't need something right now, go on our website. You'll be surprised. You probably gonna end up saying, oh yeah, I do need this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to check out the link. I'm gonna leave everything linked in the description box that I got, along with my discount code on the website. Definitely go ahead and check them out. I will see you in my next video, guys. If you are new here and you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching till the end. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment and let me know which product is your favorite product from the haul, and let me know what will you guys be getting, because you guys should definitely go ahead and check out the website. So what items are you considering getting from the site? Alright, guys, I love you guys, and again, until next time, have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a fabulous year. And remember that I love you, the Lord loves you, so that's all that matters. I love you guys, and thank you so much for being here.